Hi, my name is Fadim Ledford. I am a senior student at UALR. I am majoring health science and minoring in biology. In this presentation, I'm going to talk about plant Salvia officinalis from Lumaceae family and commonly known as common sage. Common sage is also known as kitchen sage. It has over 1,000 species, which 500 species are found in Central and South Americas. 200 species are found in Western Asia, over 100 species are found in Eastern Asia, and remaining species are found in Turkey, Europe, Iran, and Mediterranean coastal states of Africa. They are also found in dry and arid places throughout the Mediterranean region, and the pollinators are primarily bees and butterflies. Botanical description of sage develops woody stems and it is categorized as a subshrub. It is 30 to 50 centimeter in height and has very aromatic leaves that are oblong, rather thick, with a surface that is finely crenulated, and the leaves are grayish or green in color. The flowers are a purple blue to white, and they are grouped in 3 to 6 alternating pairs, climbing vertically up the stem that forming a plume. Traditional uses of sage includes as an effective antiseptic, an anti-inflammatory agent, an anti-cancer agent, a diuretic, a treatment for dermatitis, a treatment for sore throat, a mood enhancer, a memory loss preventative, hair coloring, as an herbal tea for general good health. Many people also use sage as a spice for Thanksgiving turkey stuffing and making a sausage. Traditional methods of use of sage can be as an infusion, which is herbal tea, and the leaves are brewed in water. As a decoction, that a syrup or paste is applied topically, and as a poultice, which is crushed leaves are applied topically and externally to a wound. Chemistry property of sage has 3 primary extracts that they are ursolic acid, carnosol, and carnosic acid. The strongest active constituents of sage essential oil also contains oxygenated monoterpenes of alpha-2-jon, beta-2-jon, 1.8 cineol, borneol, camphor, and bornyl acetate. Among the dominant sesquiterpenes were alpha-humulene, viridifloral, and mannol. Those isolated bioactive compounds are responsible for its antimicrobial activity against foodborne bacteria. Pharmacologic property of sage that inhibits cancer proliferation and growth. When used as a diuretic, it promotes the expulsion of sodium ions while retaining potassium ions. Sage has significant antibacterial activity and it is being used to replace synthetic food preservatives. Sage extracts also used in the treatment of patients with mild to moderate Alzheimer's disease and to treat dementia. Biological activity of sage in vitro that is used an antibacterial properties to counter S. aureus, S. epidermidis, P. aeruginosa, E. coli, B. subtilis, S. faecalis, and S. typhimurium. Sage used as an antioxidant properties, which the sage tea contain rosmarinic acid that is recognized as an antioxidant. Sage also used in dementia therapy that ursolic acid, carnosol, and carnosic acid extracted from the dried leaves of the plant inhibits intracellular activities that cause dementia. In addition to this, rosmarinic acid dose-dependently destabilized preformed amyloid beta fibrils. These activities of the sage extracts predict the herb tea to be a promising source of drugs for dementia. Biological activity of sage in vivo that is used for diabetes and the sage extracts significantly decreases serum glucose in diabetic rats. It used as antiviral, anti-inflammatory, and antihydrotic properties. Preparation of the leaves of sage are commonly used in folk medicine as an effective antiseptic and anti-inflammatory remedy and possesses anti-cancer activity. Essential oil of sage has been observed to have antiviral effects. Sage also has been traditionally used to treat inflammations in the mouth and the throat and relief of excessive sweating and minor skin inflammations. Efficacy of sage for the treatment of hot flushes during menopause was proven by open clinical trials. Sage has been used as an antibiotic, antihydrotic, and astringent, and as an antifungal in traditional Chinese medicine. Carnosol and carnosic acid extracts of sage are also used in vivo to treat memory loss and dementia. Extracts of sage containing ursolic acid have been used in clinical trials to effectively treat mild to moderate Alzheimer's disease. Clinical studies of sage shows a single double-blind placebo-controlled trial of Alzheimer's disease patients also demonstrated improved cognitive and behavioral functions following a 16-week administration of a sage alcoholic tincture. A test of the antioxidant potential of the sage tea in vivo showed that 14 days after starting to drink sage tea, liver antioxidant status improves. Sage has been effective against cardiovascular diseases, brain and nervous disorders, infections such as throat infections, dental abscess, mouth ulcers, and digestion problems. Contraindication of sage. Some investigations have pointed out the adverse effects of sage caused by the presence of two potentially toxic terpenoid compounds are thujon and camphor. Current use in allopathic and complementary alternative medicine therapies of sage that recommended dosage are not made by allopathic sources because of the difficulty in standardizing both the production of the sage plant and the quality of the product being sold. It would seem that the only sure way most people can safely use sage for medicinal therapy at this time is to restrict their use to non-traditional methods and individually procured sources. In conclusion, sage used as a traditional medicine is truly a cross-cultural phenomenon. It seems to have started at the beginning of recorded history, if it's not before. People the world over have learned how to make a simple sage tea, decoction or poultice and treat any and most all maladies with some hope of relief and efficacy. Thank you.